will soothe your soul. Yes, indeed. I just want to share with you and remind you that life will not always go the way that you have planned. Many are the plans in a man's heart, but it is the counsel of the Lord that always prevails. That's what Proverbs says. So regardless of how intelligent, experienced, or educated you are, there are things about life that you will never understand. Therefore, always keep this in mind. Keep an open mind to divine interruptions, divine disruptions. And indeed, when you do this, you will not get stuck in your own ways. Always remember, the foolish plan of God is wiser than the wisest of human plans, and God's weakness is stronger than the greatest human strength. This is what 1 Corinthians chapter 1, verse number 25 says. When God disrupts your plans, he reroutes you through the valley of the shadow of death. Do not fear and do not doubt him. For he says in his word in the book of Isaiah, for my thoughts are not your thoughts, my ways are not my or your ways. For as the heavens are higher than the earth, so are my ways higher than your ways, my thoughts higher than your thoughts. Remember, like I said before, many are the plans in a man's heart, but it is the counsel of the Lord that always prevail. Let go and let God. The next beautiful item of music that we're going to play for you is Come the Fount of Every Blessing. Tune my heart to sing thou loudest praise.